Artificial intelligence can write, create images, and even talk like a human, but we are not always aware that AI has been used. That's why the EU has now made sure that whenever AI plays an important role, you will know it. What does that mean for you? More transparency. Let's give a few examples. 1. Chatting with a bot? You will know if you're interacting with AI rather than a person. 2. Seeing AI-generated content? Images, video, audio, and text created or altered by AI must be clearly labeled. 3. Watching a video of someone saying something he never said? That would be a deepfake, and the use of AI must be clearly marked. 4. Other AI uses will also need to be clear to you. For example, when it is used to recognize your emotions or to process biometric data. The goal is simple. Whenever AI plays an important role, you are entitled to know. This is one step towards making AI more transparent and trustworthy in Europe. Found this video useful? Drop us a comment and stay tuned for more EU explainers.